Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix if Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra not receiving MMS messages. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings click on connections. Now here click on mobile networks and then click on access point names. Now from here choose the MMS option, and after that enter the correct information of your network, and after doing this your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't fix your problem, then the next solution is open settings, scroll down and click on general management, and then scroll down and click on reset. Now here click on reset mobile network settings and then click on reset settings again to confirm. So when you will tap on this reset settings option here, it will reset all your mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your mobile. So I hope it will fix your problem. But if you are still facing the problem, then the last solution is open settings, scroll down and here click on apps. Now in apps scroll down and click on messages. Now here in messages go to its storage and then clear the app data and cache memory of messages app. So to clear the cache memory click on clear cache, and to clear the app data click on clear data and then click on delete to confirm. So I hope it will fix your problem. Thanks for watching.